Hey, let's go. What goes better together than beer and French fries? I can't think of much. Today, we're in Mount Vernon at Farm Strong Brewing and Tap Room to see how they're marrying two of Washington's greatest products.
We don't try to do anything super fancy, but everything we want to do, I tell my guys, just make it awesome.
Owner Todd Owsley decided that the brewery needed a food truck, so he started Rooted Kitchen.
You know, the first 4 or 5 years, we had a number of food trucks kind of coming through. We always knew that we wanted to have our own, control the menu, the service, the quality, and kind of just bring it all in-house.
Time to try their specialty, the Washington-grown asada fries with sirloin steak, Skagit beer cheese, and chimichurri.
That is a pretty plate.
Well, it starts with the washed and grown potatoes.
There it is. Get a little bit of everything. That is the way to do steak and potatoes right there. What a better thing to go with asada fries than a good old beer. Viva la raza!
Cheers.
Time to see what other people think of these asada fries.
Those are very yummy.
Extremely fresh.
I may need a napkin, please. I just like that it has all the good stuff. This is like a loaded baked potato.
It's all the things I like about nachos and fries together.
This right here is a meal.
That says anything. I took a second bite without even saying
I know, I didn't
anything.
even have to ask you. You wait for it.
I definitely put poutine in my mouth.